Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Tigard Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, June 12th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through the info with you. So first off, we'll look at active listing activity. So I show in Tigard last week, we had 44 new homes come on the market. That's down 4 from the prior week. But, kind of right in there with the rest of them, except for this 1 week, which was kind of a holiday week leading into Memorial Day was slow that week. But other than that, been kind of, right in line with where it's been. End of the week at 105 homes in total on the market as of the end of the week, which you can kind of see is a slight high and certainly has been trending upward over the past 6 weeks now, which I know we've been talking the past, 2 or 3 weeks now about, a slowing market, and that's certainly an indication of that. The median list price and days on market for the actives, you can kind of see we had a low of 600, a high of 699, and this last week kind of dipped down to 675 was the median list price in Tigard. And then days on market, low of 7, high of 16, came in at 11 again this week, which was the same as the prior week. Moving over to the pending sales, I show we had 40 homes go pending last week in Tigard, which you can see is a high for the 6-week period here, up from 27 the week prior, and ended the week at 176 homes in pending status in total, which again, you can kind of see that that's been moving up week by week here over the past 6 weeks. So still plenty of sales activity happening within Tigard. Median price and days on market for the pendings, we had a low of 611, high of 625. This last week came in at just under that at 622, which was up just a few thousand from the week prior. Days on market couldn't be more consistent at 5. So, things continuing to go pending quickly in Tigard on average. Lastly, we'll look at sold listing activity here. So as of the time I put this together, I showed we had 27 homes get recorded as sold last week in Tigard. This always gets adjusted up a little bit because of sales that don't get posted yet in the system. But again, 27 for the week, and you can kind of see where it's been. It's kind of right in the middle with where it's been over the past 6 weeks. And when I look 4 weeks back or the prior month here, I show we had 115 homes sell in Tigard, which again is kind of right in the middle with where it's been over the past 6 weeks. And then median sold price and days on market info for the sold listings. You can kind of see we were up here at 675 about a month ago, and it's been more in the 630s here over the past 3 weeks. So 635 this last week, down just a little bit from the week prior. And again, days on market super consistent for the solds at 4 days of average market time for the homes that have sold. And then lastly, finally here, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. Red bars is weeks of inventory. And, this is pretty telling of certainly a market that is slowing down from being super hot, less than right at 2 weeks of inventory 6 weeks ago. And this last week came in at 3.7, so we're getting close to a month of inventory, which by historical standards is still very much a seller's market environment, which I think will continue to be for the time, certainly the foreseeable future here, but just not nearly quite as hot as it was here 6 weeks ago. And then the sale price as a percent of the original list price, that's cooling down a little bit. We were at a high of just under 107% of the list price here a little over a month ago, and now we're a little under 106. So, it's still very competitive out there. Homes are still selling, considerably above the asking price on average. But as we move into more of the summer months here, I would anticipate that we'll continue to kind of see this number trend up, and this number is probably going to trend down, but we will certainly see. So hope this update has been helpful and informative to you. As always, if I can ever answer any questions or be of any help, please just reach out, give me a call at 503-680-2065, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have, or be of help in some way. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.